Hello there, Goony here, and I am playtesting a game called Atoms Glitch. This is one of the few browser games I'm playing. This is a platformer. In this demo, there's only a single level in the game, but I wouldn't really call it a single level. It's actually there's little parts of the level. It's not just a single level. I'd say it's quite a few levels, just in a level collection almost. So yeah, let's actually start this. I've also noticed you can't actually exit the game. This doesn't actually work. You can actually turn the music and sound on and off for that. But yeah, I do like the kaleidoscope look. I like how the game is monochrome. Oh, what happened here? Oh, the player's not even there. What? That is interesting. Let's refresh that actually. Okay, let's actually play it. Alright, here we go. Here's the player. In this game, this player will have to get these atoms, and apparently the atoms have. Well, there's a problem with the atoms. The atoms are not. The atoms are. What's the word? They're kind of going against their nature, kind of thing. You know what I mean? The atoms aren't working properly. So yeah, I do like. I said I was going to say that I like the game's monochrome style before the game kind of crashed. I also like how there's a kaleidoscope background and everything, and I also like all the looks of it. I like how the before I go into level, there's actually like a button. You know, it's animated. It tells me. I like the game has a lot of nice effects in it, which I like to say. It's a bit weird the player doesn't actually have any animation when they're walking about, but I don't know if this player is supposed to be a placeholder. Maybe. Yeah, I like how the game has a tutorial and everything. It actually tells you about double jumping. Really good. I do like to say one thing about the jumping and going onto platforms and stuff. Is it can be very. You have to be very. It's not like they don't give you that much space to jump on. You have to kind of get it right. I'll show you in the next level, kind of. I've got to get to this atom here. I also like the way the effects on the atom. It looks like it's random. It looks like the developer tried to do a normal atom, but what happened is it did this instead, and the developer's like, oh, I might actually make that part of the story or whatever. Sounds pretty cool. There we go. I thought originally I took quite a few times trying to get to get this part here, because I found it quite hard to get onto that platform. I don't know. It's not that hard anymore now I've actually done it. I also noticed one thing about these levels here is if I die in here, I've already got that atom, but in the next level, if I die or the atoms, you know, they will respawn. It's kind of weird how each level is kind of different in that way, you know, like that, you see? It's really weird. And I also noticed in this level, 2 players would spawn as well. I don't know if the developer wanted this to be like there's 2 player characters and you have to use both of them in this level. I don't know. That's what's supposed to happen. I was a bit confused with that. Another thing that's quite confusing is if I go here and try to double jump here, I can't do that. I've tried to double jump many times through that part, but I'm just going to have to miss that atom there. One thing I like to say is, although I'm supposed to be getting these atoms, and I reckon there's obviously supposed to be a score or something, but there's no score UI, so You know what I mean? Like, I'm trying to get these, but there's no score UI. I want to see how many I'm getting, you know what I mean? I do like how you got different objects, and it's like you got these buttons and everything. I do like that. Like I said in the other game I played, I like them kind of puzzle parts to games. But yeah, I think I just keep dying. I'm trying to think of things to say, but also playing the game. Uh, I do think you should add some more. Like, you should add like this is a platformer, right? Like, I get it, but I think you should add some unique selling point to it. Like I've played a lot of platformers you just jump about and get coins and stuff like that, but you know what I mean? Like, you should add something unique to it. Like add more atom related stuff. Like I don't know, maybe make it so there's more atom or atomic related mechanics, like radiation or. Like, I was thinking, you know how these atoms have like them electrons around them? Why not make it so you get more points? Like there's more electrons around this, so you get more points when you go over one that has more electrons. That'd be really cool. Or like like there's free radicals which are like bad atoms, so why not have them as enemies? Like atom enemies, that'd be pretty cool. Which kind of makes sense because you want it to be like all these atoms aren't the atoms aren't working properly, so why not make it so free radicals are actually evil atoms in the sense, yeah, like the evil atoms. There we go, we're back to the main menu. And another a problem with this here is, well, as you can see graphically, when you get back to the main menu, the doors themselves are actually prioritized with the sprite layers, which shouldn't really be the case. And if you try and actually play the levels again, the player does not spawn, or then that might be a sprite layer problem as well. I don't know. The player doesn't spawn, which is kind of, yeah. Well, let's actually play the game again and see if we come across any more problems with the game. But yeah, I really do like the monochrome graphics. I like the game is a lot nicer. It looks it's simple. I like the effects of the wormholes and the atoms are really cool. But yeah, um, need to add a bit more unique things to the game, like mechanics. I'd say. Let's also get some more. Get level 2 done. Maybe show some new stuff off in that next level. Yeah, add UI as well, as I said. Oh yeah, one other thing is I think the player you should add lives. I think because I think the player I can die infinite amount of times. I don't think there's much challenge, is there? There's not much challenge to that. I think you should make it so if I die so many times, I have to do the levels again. You know what I mean? Just some challenge. Or add that as a difficulty where you can die infinite times, and then have a difficulty where there's only like 3 lives per level. Pack? Level pack? I'm trying to get that problem that happened where it won't actually send me to the main menu. It actually just showed the wormhole, and that was it. Like, don't know how you got that to work. Uh, is it related to my atoms I got or something? Or yeah, also add some animations to the player or something. I think the player needs some animations. What if I die a few times? I don't know what caused it to happen. You see, it takes you. You have to try and get to a point on a platform to actually get onto it. So it try and spawns 2 players this time. No, it didn't do 2 players. It's a bit weird. There we go. You can see there's 2 players. Yeah, if one of them dies, well, if both of them die at the same time, they become 1 player. Which I think is what's supposed to happen. I don't know. What? Oh yeah, that. What? Oh yeah. I don't know how I managed to get that. I think I tried to hit the edge of the portal is how I managed to get that glitch or whatever. I have also noticed the background is, I don't know if that's supposed to be intentional or what, but that you can just see grey here, which makes me think that's the where the background ends. I don't know if that's supposed to be there or what. There we go. As you can see, I don't think that's supposed to happen. That's a bit of a glitch. There's no main menu screen anymore. So yeah, let's do a quick summary of the game. So yeah, I do like, as I said, I like the graphics, I like the monochrome look, I like the effects the game has, I like the kaleidoscope backgrounds. The music's alright. I think there's just that music on its own mainly, isn't it? I think you should add some more music. It's just the same track. This menu doesn't work with the exit, and I think you need to add a score UI to the game and maybe add lives as well, because there's not much challenge, so add lives. Yeah, get that other level done. Level 2, get level 2 done. Yeah, there's some bugs that happened, like how the wormhole would be anything there, and the bug where... What's the other bug again? I'm trying to remember. There was... I'm trying to remember what bug that was. There was another one. I forgot about it, but yeah, there's some problems need fixing. But yeah, it's a really nice little platformer. It's different playing a browser game this time instead of playing one I have to download. So yeah, it's been Goony 1 to 4 playing Atom's Glitch. Alright, see ya.